What's up, everybody? Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and leave me a comment below. I saw a heartwarming video of this guy who lost his best friend, and his family got him a puppy, and the puppy happened to be born on his birthday, and he teared up when he got this puppy. He had lost his best friend months ago, and it reminded me back to a time when I was working for somebody years ago where I lost one of my little boy, my little wiener dog, Wilson. And Wilson got sick and died. And my boss at the time, I actually went to the vet to pick him up. They put him down, and I went to the vet to pick him up, and I am a mess. Like, I'm a blubbering mess, because this dog, like, everywhere I went in the house, he was right behind me. Like, if I sat down, he was on my lap. And it reminded me of what John Maxwell talks about when it comes to leadership, is you can get knocked down the rungs of the ladder of leadership very easily if you make some big mistake. And my boss made a big mistake that day because I was so loyal and I wanted to do a good job, and I knew there was things that needed to be done that day. I was persuaded to come on in, to just go do this one thing. Well, this one thing was like an old Walmart building with 20 units, rooftop units, to service. And I remember, I obviously I stayed home, and we did a little ceremony and buried him in the backyard, and I remember climbing to the top of that roof, and I just climbed up with 200 foot of hose. I was by myself. 200 foot of hose, throw it up there on the roof, and I just started bawling, like just crying my heart out. I was so brokenhearted. It was one of the worst days I've ever had working, ever. I'll never forget it. And you better believe that I lost a lot of respect for my boss that day. They even had a dog that they brought to work every day. And then later had 2 dogs that they brought to work every day. So they were animal lovers. And to ask me, for me to be that loyal and to go ahead and ask that of me that day, that could have waited. Who knows? That could have been the time where I'd made the decision that I'm not going to put up with this anymore. So just know that wherever you are at on your leadership journey with your team, all it takes is one big mistake, one heartless move like that, and it can completely crush everything that you've built up to that point. So anyhow, I saw that video and thought I had to share with you guys. So love you guys. Go make money. Boom.